So yan, medyo mas maingay lang dito. This is the pool area near the beach, because they have another pool area at near the building or the accommodation building. So this is and then over here is the beach area. Ayan, doon sa side na yan kami ng breakfast kanina. Ito yung side ng property. Ang laki niya actually. So sa banda doon akyat kami, and then I will show you yung pool area naman. So yun, that's where we came from earlier. Dito na ako sa another pool area. So they have basically 3 pool areas. So this one is exclusive for 16 years old and above. This may be a deeper pool, and it's also an infinity pool. So they also have these family villas. Of course, more expensive. So find yung mga ganitong shaded pathways and areas, very cute and really nice. So it's almost like taking a walk in the park. Ito kami ngayon sa Rapa. Pero maingay. Check out by 11 and the flight is 2:50. So in the morning, possibly just breakfast and making sure that we're packed and ready to go. Sandali pa lang ako dun sa may beach area. Feeling ko, ayan, no, namumula na ako. So, dito na kami sa may pool area. Ako mag-swim.
Wala ako.
Sige. Ako din. Apparently, a popular place to eat here in Panglao. So we're now outside and waiting for our turn. I think we're 15 line. Eto, while waiting, picture muna.
Ng place dito. Oo. Parang mas...
Eto. Natutuwa ako kasi nasa... What you call this? Duyan?
Pwede na punin yung isa.
So yeah, easy na naman ang lahat para mag-take ng photo, ng video. Still have a couple more orders. So, siyempre, wait kami para makapag-picture. The place is really...
Download ba?
Okay.
Download din pala tayo.
Sizzling chicken. That's a pyro chicken.
Laki ng manok nila.
Yes. Buti na lang half lang kinuha natin.
Uy!
And just like that, tapos na ang aming vacation dito sa Bohol. Today is September 3, so going back home na kami. We just had our breakfast, mag-empake, and then of course get ready. We don't know kung makakapag-lunch pa kami kasi medyo malapit yung breakfast and lunch, at least for us. But let's see what what we can do before we head back home, and impake na tayo. So nandito kami ngayon sa Maldives, natuloy yung plan na dito kami magla-lunch before our flight, and because surprise on time kami nakapag-check